Now let us start the cleaning process of releasing negative energies. It's one of the most powerful cleaning procedures. Just close your eyes, sit in a comfortable position so that your spine is straight or erect. The spine is erect but relaxed. You can take back support. Just observe your breathing. When you're inhaling through nose and exhaling through nose. When you're inhaling, you can feel the cool air entering through your nostrils, going deep down to the abdomen, the stomach area. Stomach is getting filled. When you're exhaling, stomach is getting emptied. Exhaling through nostrils, you can feel the warm air going out through the nostrils. Just be with the breathing. Cool air entering through your nostrils, going deep down to the stomach, and coming out, going out through the nostrils. You can feel the warm air coming out through the nostrils. Just feel the breathing, how it feels. When you're inhaling, the stomach portion is getting filled with the air. And when you're exhaling, stomach is getting emptied. This is one of the most popular procedure of the humankind. Relax yourself. In almost each and every part, each and every religion, each and every scripture, each and every healing modality, this breathing process is there. Now you need not to change the rhythm of the breathing, just continue breathing the way you are breathing. Only thing is you are observing your breathing. You are with your breathing. Now slowly and comfortably breathe in and slowly and comfortably breathe out. Inhaling through nose, exhaling through nose. Make it as comfortable as possible. Slowly and comfortably inhaling, slowly and comfortably exhaling. With every exhalation, releasing all the stress, tension in the body, mind. With every exhalation, you are getting more and more relaxed. Continue this for a couple of times. See that our whole body is relaxed. Relaxing, relax. If you find any kind of pain, discomfort, or disease in any part of the body, or any kind of stiffness in any part of the body, gently touch that part of the body or take all your attention to that part of the body and say, thank you, I love you, thank you, I love you. Express your gratitude and love to that particular part of the body, whichever is hurting. Now it is time to find what is that energy or the data or the program or the negative energy which is there in your body, in your space, which is causing the present issue. Whatever the issue or the difficulty or the problem you are going through, you just think of one particular problem which is causing the more heaviness or the pain or discomfort for you. Just think of one thing, and for that, there should be one energy or the program will be there in your body, which will be calling as the negative energy. Now it is time to find where it is in your body. Unless you have this negative energy stored in your body, you cannot experience this problem in your life, whatever may be the problem you're going through.
Sir, can I
Now
ask
take your own time. We can discuss after meditation, after doing the cleaning process. By sitting, closing your eyes, start scanning the whole body, starting from top of your head, face, neck, coming downwards till toes of your feet. Scan the entire body, whole body, and see that where that particular energy is there, which is causing this problem. Take your own time, do it slowly by closing your eyes. Keep scanning the whole body, starting from top of your head. Somewhere in the body, you will find that energy. For those who are doing the scanning process for the first time, no need to worry, do it gently, do it in a way which is convenient and easy for you. No need to be too serious. You can find it in one or the other place, one or the other part of the body. Once you find this energy in any part of your body, you can let me know. You can mention in the chart, or you can unmute yourself and let me know in which part of the body you found this negative energy.
In my hips and my calf.
Hips and calf muscles.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
So even me in my calf and my thigh.
Calf
Main-
muscles and thigh portion. Okay.
Yeah, mainly in my calf.
Okay.
Shoulders.
Okay. Shoulders.
My
So I'm
liver
getting-
and my liver area and the kidney area.
so I'm
Lower
feeling
abdomen, madam. Liver and
feeling-
kidney, where they are?
Right.
Because I am
right,
not a doctor or I am not a science person.
on the right side of my
Abdomen, lower abdomen, no?
back and front.
Yeah.
both.
Thank
Yeah,
you. very
same
much. Yeah.
here, right side of the abdomen.
Right side of the abdomen. Lower abdomen, upper abdomen.
Left,
Lower.
Okay.
left shoulder and left hand, I mean upper part of left hand and somewhat near heart.
Okay. Near heart,
So those-
starting from heart to left shoulder and upper part of the left hand. Okay.
My right knee and shoulder, whole shoulder.
Right knee and the shoulder. Which one? Right shoulder or left shoulder?
Both sides.
Both the shoulders.
Hmm?
Okay.
Yes.
So my right foot, the sole of my foot, right
That's
foot,
कहाँ पे तुमको
and there's
वो
a
लग
little bit
रहा है
of
एनर्जी
pain in the
ब्लॉकेज है,
calf, and I think I felt little heaviness
डिस्कम्फर्ट है,
on my shoulders
Okay.
हमारा
Shoulders.
में होगा, शोल्डर ब्लेड्स के बीच
and
में
right
होगा.
foot, sole of my right
Yeah.
foot,
Yes.
and calf
Sir,
muscles.
I don't have any physical problem or physical pain, but suppose I have some frustration, right?
Yeah, for
So
that
where
frustration,
this-
you need to scan the body, because unless you have some negative energy or the data or the program or the memory, you cannot
how-
experience the frustration.
How I will identify this? I'm not, I scanned.
Yeah,
but
this
I
is the
could-
process. So far, what we have done, that is the scanning process. Closing the eyes, scanning, starting from top of the body. By closing your eyes, when you keep scanning the whole body, somewhere you'll find one kind of, one or the other kind of negative energy in your body. So everybody they have found because they have scanned. You just close your eyes now. By closing your eyes, start scanning the whole body, starting from top of your head. Keep scanning. You just see where you find any kind of negativity or negative energy. You just see which part of the body you will find. So that is the negative energy. Keep scanning, take your own time. Yes, madam.
But how
Someone else?
how I will understand that it is a negative energy? Like
No, only thing now the intention of scanning is to find the root cause of the problem, root cause of the frustration which you're experiencing. The root cause, intention is finding the cause, the root cause, which I'm calling as a negative energy. So when your intention is clear, automatically your mind start detecting the same.
it will be only
detected,
in
you'll be finding.
it will be in heart only, right? Heart and mind only. This frustration
You
goes from
cannot
there. It is
say,
coming.
because your body is made up of trillions of cells. Each and every cell has its own identity. We don't know at which cell, which cellular level that particular memory or the energy is stored. So that is the reason we're asking to scan. If you are finding it difficult, you can do it in the next session. So because today we have more people, almost everybody has found. That regarding this clarification, we can discuss in some other time. And whoever found this energy, you can let me know.
Right upper side stomach.
Okay, madam. Okay. See, whoever
Yes.
found this energy, yes,
Also, left side, lowest part of the abdomen. It's like,
abdomen,
Lowest
lower
part.
abdomen. Okay, okay.
yeah, left side, lowest corner.
Yes, yes.
So my
Okay.
throat.
Yes, throat portion. Yeah. Now almost most of the people have found where it is. Now it is time to, and few have mentioned in the chart where they found this one: neck, heart, head and teeth, or middle back. And someone is asking, what if we don't find anything? It is okay. In the first scan itself, you may find it difficult because when it comes to online, it's quite difficult to guide in this. When we are together in the live session, there are different ways of scanning where it can be connected through third eye like this. There are different way of doing. So you may find it difficult to find, that is okay. And whoever found this negative energy, just close your eyes. Close your eyes and see whatever you found. If you have not found any energy, that is okay. And whoever found the negative energy, you just see what it is. Try to identify whether it has any color, shape, structure, form, or any image, what it is. Just try to identify what it is exactly. How it is, any color or image, or the form, structure, shape. Take your attention to this, which you've just found.
Sir, I'm feeling hotness, sir.
Yeah, see, when you find this energy, you identified that this energy, particular energy is there in me. So it is temporary. Initially, for some time, maybe just for a couple of minutes, you may feel heat, be hot, or extreme cold, or sweating, or kind of discomfort in the body. Like this, the body responds in different ways. But it is okay. It is just for a couple of minutes, so short term only. Once you release this energy, then everything will be fine. Now let me focus on what it is, how it is. And those who have found this in different parts of the body, for example, which are together like shoulder, heart, or hand, which are nearby, you can see whether they are two or the different or the same energy. When it comes to feet or the calf muscles, as they are together, you try to see whether it is the one thing or two different energies.
So there's heaviness on my, there was heaviness on my shoulder, but but there was pain and under my right foot, sir.
Yeah, those are different. Those are different.
Yes.
If they are at the same place, only for those who have found
Okay,
nearby. For example, feet and calf muscles, feet and calf,
Okay, sir.
and like
Okay.
yeah, thighs and knee.
Okay.
Those people, yeah.
Okay. Okay, sir. Okay.
And for those people, we just try to find whether it is the one or two different one. If you find it is one, you just see that it is becoming together, becoming one place. And those who have found multiple at multiple places in the body, we focus on the one thing, any one thing first. Take your attention. Now let us start clearing this energy which you are holding on to, maybe since months, years, decades, or since many lifetimes, since thousands of years or lakhs of years. Now it is time to release, time to let go. Once you release, you will be free. You will be free from this particular problem. Now taking your attention to that one energy. You can see what it is, how it is, form, structure, shape, color. Taking all your attention to that particular energy. So thank you. I love you. We know that it is not contributing because while scanning for the any unwanted negative energy, you found this. It doesn't matter. You just express your gratitude and love for this particular energy. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry for holding on to you. I don't know how you entered my space. You're talking to this energy which you found in your body. I don't know how you entered my space. And I don't know who are you. I don't even want to know who you are, what you are. I am willing to release you. I am really willing to release you. You are free. You are free. I have decided to release you. Now you are free. You are free. You are free. Now you just see that this particular energy which is causing this present problem in your life is coming out of your body, going out of the room where you're sitting to the window or the door, going out of the house or the building, going away far, far away, deep into the universe. No need to do anything, no need to imagine anything. You just see that this particular energy which you identified is coming out of your body, going out of the house, building, going away, far away, deep into the universe. Yes, you are willing to release. You have decided to release this energy. Now it is easy for this particular energy to come out of your body, go away, away, far away, deep into the universe. Once it is done, you can let me know.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, it's done, Mr. Srinivas.
Thank you very much, sir.
Done, sir.
Thank you.
Done, sir.
Thank you. Thank you for releasing the heaviness or the negative energy which you are holding on to. Most of the time, we are not aware that we are holding on to negative energies.
Feeling lighter, sir.
Yes, thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Done.
Yeah, done, sir.
As it is the first time to people, it may take much longer time. If you're finding it difficult to release, just say, I have decided to release you. Now you are free. Now you are free, and it will be released. And for those people who have found at different places, for example, at 2 places, at 3 places of the body, now focus on the other part. Try to identify what it is, how it looks. Any form, structure, shape, image. Try to identify that particular energy. The second one. First one you have released, and now focus on the second one. And repeat the same procedure for the second one. I am willing to release you. Now you are free. I have decided to release you. I have decided to release you. You are free. I don't know how you entered my space. I don't even want to know when or how you entered my space. Now the time has come to release you. And I am really sorry for holding on to you. First of all, I was not aware that you were present in me. Now I am willing to release you. I have decided to release you. Purpose of talking to this energy for such a long time, because it is only because many people, for many of you, it is the first time scanning and releasing. So making it much easier to let go, release this energy. And you just see that the second one which you found, if it is there, it is coming out of your body, going out of the room, through the window or the door, whichever is open, going out of the building, going away, far, far away, deep into the universe. You just see that this particular energy is coming out of your body, going away, far, far away, deep into the universe. Once it is done, please let me know.
Done for the second one also.
Yes,
Thank
that's
you
it.
very much. Yes, thank you.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Great, great, great. Thank you. In the chat also, few people have mentioned done. Thanks to all of you for releasing this non-contributing data, program, memory, or the energy, negative energy. And whatever you're experiencing outside is just an effect. Root cause is deep inside. At the cellular level, the subconscious mind of the inner self. Once everybody is done, you can let me know one by one.
Done, sir.
Thank you very much.
Done, sir.
Great.
Done, sir.
Yes, thank you very much. Hope everybody has done, released. If you, any one of you are finding it difficult to release, or even after doing this, after releasing also, as you have released that memory or the negative energy, when you keep that space empty, it will be filled with some other energy, maybe to be contributed, required, non-required. So let us fill that energy with the divine light, divine energy, or the pure love. Now we are doing a short process. It will take just a couple of minutes. It will purify your whole body, mind, soul, the entire aura, total your entire energy field. The whole being will be purified. Take just a couple of minutes. Even any one of you are finding it difficult to release that energy, it will be cleared in this process. Now just closing your eyes, take
So
your
one
attention to
question,
the
please.
breathing. We'll do the after question answer can do afterwards.
Okay.
We'll do the cleaning process first. Just close your eyes. Just observe your breathing. Now it takes only a couple of minutes. And during this period, keep your spine straight or erect. You can take back support. You just see that the divine energy from deep from the universe is coming to you in the form of white light, entering your body from crown chakra, from top of your body, top of the head, This white light, the divine energy in the form of white light, is entering your body from top of your head and going downwards to head, neck, torso, hands, thighs, legs, till toes of your feet. This divine light, the divine energy in the form of white light, taking is entering your body, occupying each and every cell of your body, each and every organ, each and every cell of your body is filled with this white light, the divine energy. And this divine energy is in the form of white light, is cooling, soothing, calming. This is the healing energy. You're just taking bath in this divine energy. Now your whole body, each and every cell, each and every organ is filled with this pure love, the white light or the divine energy. Now this energy is occupying your whole entire aura within the body and outside the body. The whole being is submerged in this white light. You are immersed in this divine energy. This is cooling, the soothing, and this is the healing energy. And this energy is purifying your whole body, mind, soul, space, aura. Your whole being is being purified. All the toxins are released. All the negativity will be cleared and will be filled with pure love, the divine light. There is nothing impossible for this energy, divine energy, because it is directly coming from the universal creator, creator who has created you, me, whole universe, each and everything. This is the healing power of the universal creator, the divine, the God, the great something. Nothing impossible for this. All the negativity, all the impurities, toxins are getting cleaned, clean. As this negativity are the memories, toxins, data, program is being cleaned, we are getting purified, purer. We are getting lighter. This energy is blissful. You can enjoy taking bath in this energy. This is a calming, soothing energy. Be in this blissful state. Take bath in this divine energy. Enjoy the infinite bliss, infinite peace of the divine, the peace beyond all understandings, the love, the unconditional love, the bliss, the joy, infinite joy. Once it is done, by closing your eyes, you just see that you are now in a place of prayer, temple, or a sacred place, church, mosque. You are alone in this place, the sacred place. Now the divine is in front of you, the divine form of your choice, whichever the divine form, whichever the divine name you have faith, you believe in, that divine is in front of you in the human form. This is not statue. Divine is in the human form and is alive. Now you are in front of the your favorite divine form. Bow down to the divine. Touch the feet of the divine. Surrender to the divine. Say thank you. Thank you for the gift of this body. Thank you for the gift of this life. Thank you. Thank you for all your blessings. Thank you for taking care of me. Thank you for guiding me. Thank you for protecting me. Thank you for protecting me. Thank you for blessing me. Thank you for all your blessings. Thank you for providing me all the things I have in my life. Thank you. And I'm really thankful to you for this wonderful opportunity of taking time to think of you, to remember you, and to purify myself. Thank you for providing this opportunity of thinking you. Thank you. Whatever you want to say to the divine, whatever you want to express to the divine, you can talk to the divine, and you can say, you take the blessings of the divine. And once it is done, you can open your eyes.